remember, anything is attainable. And take every risk you can, as long as you trust yourself.
Nagabilin sa inyong atanan, pagbayagin ang gabi, ay tulad ang gabi ng mamadaan takip. Kung sino ang mga daog sa Mr. Tipawan 2014.
My name is Alfred Duburutuyo and Romeo Carreño.
Study in review, Mr. Edgar Bogota.
Congratulations to contestant number.
It's nice to live in a stress-free and peaceful world where all people unite and love each other. But before that, attaining will start in ourselves, in our family, and spread it in the society. That's all. Thank you.
Congratulations to contestant number 5, Mr. Alfred Tuburan Jr.